ClusterJ is a full-fledged servlet cluster system. That is, ClusterJ is a complete system for building clusters of servlets. That is, you can have a set of machines, physical or virtual, and these machines will operate as one. When the cluster is properly set up, the client can request an API from his .var, and one of the machines will execute. For that to be properly set up, ClusterJ has its own setup database. The setup database has entities, that is table to hold the data, and started procedures to handle those tables. The main entities in the setup database are the account entity, which holds the user accounts data. Then you have the organization table that holds information on the organization, and the cluster entity, which holds information about the cluster, and associated with the cluster database you have the nodes database and other tables with technical data. After ClusterJ is properly set up, the users can start to create their accounts, and after the account is created, the person will be able to create a session. This session will give the account the capability to create an organization. The organization is used to create clusters. So an organization can have many clusters linked to it, and these clusters by themselves can have a set of nodes associated with it. So after the accounts, the organizations, and the clusters are persisted, the node manager API can be used to install the nodes of the cluster, to start up them, shut down them, and install and uninstall the users' .vars in each of them. And that's it, basically, on the account manager API. Please subscribe to the channel, watch as many videos as you can, so we can start monetize and gather resources to make ClusterJ grow. Thank you very much for your attention.